Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to create a new workbook and multiple worksheets in Excel. So let's start the tutorial. Let's find out the final output of our application. Create a new workbook and multiple Excel sheets in Python. The command is py create workbook and worksheets.py. When I click enter, notice here I got the new worksheets. First, 2 and 3 is created successfully. Go to Windows Explorer, new worksheet, where it is here, the new workbook, the file name, the workbook name, first, so 2 and 3.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials, and here our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder, I will create new Python file called create workbook and worksheets.py. And here we got all newly created Python file is open. My aim is create a new workbook and multiple Excel sheets in Python. So when we are dealing with Python, there are plenty of modules we have to connect to the Excel sheets. So one of the module I am using here is import OpenPyExcel. If you don't have OpenPyExcel module, you need to install the package using the command called pip install OpenPyExcel. After that, we need to create the workbook. So the variable WB is workbook, OpenPyExcel.workbook. In this workbook, I am adding. If you notice in my folder, there is one Excel sheet only, and you can't find any Excel sheets, only one Excel sheet which I have explained in my previous video. Now I want to create a new workbook. The Excel sheet workbook name is new workbook.xlsx. After that, after creating the workbook, now we require worksheets. So 1 is equals to w_1 is equals to wgb dot create sheet. In this create sheet, I am adding the title of the worksheet, which is first. Let's add the first worksheet name. Let's copy this one, second and third. I am creating 3 worksheets, 2, 3, and I am changing the variables name to, and this is 3. After that, let's print the worksheets, the new worksheets w_1 comma w_2 comma w_3 is created successfully. And here we need to save our workbook. Copy this one and paste here. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file, save all. Before run this application, let's open our Windows Explorer. Our file I have saved on my desktop under Python-tutorials. There is only one Python Excel sheet called course, and we don't have any Excel sheets. Now let's create, go to view, Click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's find out the final output of our application. Create a new workbook and multiple Excel sheets in Python. The command is py create workbook and worksheets.py. When I click enter, notice here I got the new worksheets. First, 2 and 3 is created successfully. Go to Windows Explorer, new worksheet, where it is here, the new workbook, the file name, the workbook name, first, 2 and 3. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to create a new workbook and multiple Excel sheets in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.